In this video, I'll talk about how you can change the time frames using your keyboard. So how this works is you're just gonna click on your chart anywhere, and then you simply wanna type, let's say 15. So type 1, 5, press enter, and it will change it to the 15. Now, if you wanna do, let's say, which one of these do we wanna do? Let's say we wanna do 2 hours. What you wanna do is click on your chart, press 2, and then type H, and it will say 2 hours. Now, you can also do, let's say you want to do 1 day. Come in here, type 1, press D for day, and press enter. So that is how it's done. So for minutes, you just want to type the number. For hours, press H after the number, and days and weeks. So that is how it's done. And you can type whichever one you want. 12 days. 15 days. Now, remember, some of these you can only use if you're premium. So I believe 10 minutes is only for premium users. Yeah, but that's about it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.